Hi everyone, today's my regular lunch recipes. Two different recipes, but combo is very nice. Take a kadai, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, add nicely chopped onion, 1 medium size onion and 2 green chili, then fry them. Once onion fried, then add rest of the vegetables. Add 1 or 2 drumstick and a handful of mango pieces, brinjal pieces and tomato. Only one tomato I am using here. That is enough for this quantity. Fry them 1 or 2 minutes. Now we add required salt and half teaspoon of turmeric. It will cook fastly. Stir continuously for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we add half liter of water. Then cook until soft. Mix once. Then close and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. It will cook 5 to 6 minutes. This time you can check this cook or not. If not cooked, you can cook another 3 to 4 minutes. If drumstick is cooked well, then all the vegetables will cook fastly. Drumstick will take little more time to cook. Now add 1 cup of tur dal I already boiled and required tamarind juice. Then stir it. This is perfect sambar for rice. You can use it for idli and dosa. Now add 1 cup of water. You can add curry leaves, 1 stem or 2 stems. Add 2 tablespoons of sambar powder and a half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of 1 teaspoon of hing and 1 tablespoon of jajari powder. Now stir it. Check the consistency. If water required, you can add 1 cup of water. Then boil for 15 minutes. Then only sambar will be well done to tasty. If you cook less time, it will not tasty that much. And finally add fresh coriander. Sambar is ready. It's a very tasty sambar with the less ingredients. The sambar looks and taste wise also as a hotel sambar. Then close it. Then take a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of mustard. And add 1 red chili and few curry leaves. Then add it to sambar. Sambar is ready now. You can use this sambar with hot rice. For another recipe, this is a side dish. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 to 3 medium sized potatoes. Peel and cut into cubes. Then mix it 1 or 2 minutes. Then add chopped onion and 1 or 2 green chili. Do not mix this. Now add curry leaves. I chopped the curry leaves. Do not mix. Close and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. This will cook within 4 to 5 minutes. Now check it. It's cooked finely. Then mix it. And finally we can add all masalas. This curry is very fastly quickly and you can prepare this as a side dish. You can prepare for lunch box. Now add required salt and turmeric, curry powder. I will show you this powder some other time. Mix it. This curry is ready. Everyone likes the potato curry. Now finally add fresh coriander. Take into a bowl. Our lunch is ready. This is the mango pickle. I will use it for a year. This mango pickle. For curd rice or white rice, you can mix this pickle. Now, white rice, sambar, curry, pickle, and curd rice is my menu today's I'm eating. Thank you for watching.